So hey guys, and what's up, welcome back to our channel. In this video also we are going to edit this type of IPL special photo editing for RCB. You can see in the screen, and I have already made video for Chennai Super King. You can see previous one, and all the PNG link is in description box. You can down from there. So if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, and if you are new in this channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for regular new update. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.